Greetings everyone, it's Arunda for the Orgo-Life products. Experience. How do you come and how do you get served on our Facebook page? When you come, it's important to refer yourself to identify from which region of Canada you are. We hired this week a national director for East End of Canada, and they will bring you to the proper official dealer for Orgo-Life products. If you're coming from the Three Rivers area in Quebec, refer yourself to that region. If you come from the, please refer yourself to that, and you will have the proper sales rep and official dealer answer you to your proper questions. Might be that sometimes you have questions, you have to be patient. We're doing all the videos so people could understand. And our official dealers right now are in constant taking courses with us to understand all the possibilities of the product. This will be a work in progress. The miracles and the way that this new technology works with active and passive is tremendous. There's possibilities almost unlimited. So it's important to have specific questions. If you start also with a sales rep, please stay with your sales rep because we will transfer the account. You don't go to 10 sales rep and then close and you made everyone work. No, be respectful. This is energy. So we're there to help you out. There will be formations for our dealers, and there will be very soon classes available for all owners of Orgo-Life units. You'll be able to take course, have a better understanding, comprehension of how this new technology works, active or passive. At Orgo-Life, we're there to give you a tremendous, great experience. Bear with us and enjoy. Thank you.